Did you know a pop star literally died for 4 minutes and came back to save lives? July 24th, 2018 started like any normal Tuesday for Demi Lovato. She had been sober for 6 years, a recovery success story that inspired millions. But that night, everything changed in her Hollywood Hills home. She relapsed using substances laced with deadly fentanyl. Her assistant found her unconscious, blue-lipped and barely breathing. The frantic 911 call came at 11:22 that night. During transport to the hospital, her body shut down completely. 3 strokes hit her brain. Her heart stopped beating. For 4 terrifying minutes, doctors fought to bring her back. Her family was told she might not survive the night, but she did survive, and that near-death experience changed everything. Today, Demi uses her story to help others struggling with addiction. Her brush with death became her mission to save lives.